Hello everyone, this is Jad Marknev, and today I will give you a tutorial on how to realign the stem of electric scooter. Stem realignment of electric scooter. So first, let's check the stem is not aligned. So based on our scooter's status, that it's not aligned. So the wheel is facing to the right, even if it is in the stem is in the correct position. So okay, so first thing to do is we will use we will unscrew this using this tool or driver, Allen. Okay, so first thing is to loosen the 3 screws. So in loosening the 3 screws, you must done it one by one. So if you loosen the first screw, you will not totally loosen it. You will lose also to the second, and next is to the third, and back to the first. It is not gonna, you will not loosen it all the way. So you will loosen it partially, one to the other. Okay, based on this video, we successfully loosen the screws. The reason for that is that we can manipulate the adjustment of the stem. Okay, so in this part we can now readjust and correct the stem. So first you must put the wheel in a correct position, and the step 2 is adjust the stem to the correct position. So since it is now okay, the wheel is in the correct position, aligned, then our stem will be adjusted. And this very simple way. So don't be afraid to fix your electric scooter. So you must do it by yourself. And step 3, tighten the screws. Since it is okay na, then you must tighten the screws. So in my case, there is no Loctite that I applied, but for your own safety and on your scooter, it's better to have this Loctite, because it will make your electric scooter have this safety. But for me, I am doing it every day, so it's okay.